Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and get started with buying NVIDIA stock on Freetrade. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Freetrade website right here, freetrade.io, if you have not already. So if you did not already have it opened up, go right there. If you're using it on your mobile phone, just go ahead and open up the App Store, search for Freetrade, find application and install it. So once you've installed and open it up, this is going to be the home page. From here we can get started. Now the process doesn't matter if you're on your web version or on the mobile version, it's going to go exactly the same. First things first, you're going to need an account. So in the upper right corner, if you do not already have an account, you can go ahead and click to get started, which is going to enable you to go ahead and create an account. If you have one, just go ahead and log in normally. So once you're logged in, now we can get started. Here you can go to the web.freetrade.io version and go to the universe section to check out NVIDIA Corp. So go to this URL right here, and from here we can get started. And here you're going to go and be able to take a look at the charts options. You're going to be able to see previous prices, what the prices currently are, how to get into it, and so on. And from here we can get started buying them. So as you can see, I need to sign up because I did not have an account. If you have an account, you're going to go and be able to place instant orders for the stock and into your portfolio if you have deposited enough money into your account. Basically from here you can get started buying your stock once you've created an account, and it's all doable right here. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.